As responsible members of society, we recycle our plastics, pay carbon tax, choose cars with lower emissions, and swap old light bulbs for new, more energy-efficient ones. Elsewhere, we campaign for human rights to ensure workers around the world making the products we use are treated well. There are many ways to lessen our impact on the environment, and to minimize the ugly side of our commercial lust. But we can always do more. The Fairphone 2 is an example of going one step further. It's made to last for 5 years. Unlike the year or two we'd expect a smartphone to last. This is thanks to a modular body with easily replaceable components. Better than that, though, the minerals used internally have been sourced responsibly. The phone makes better use of recycled materials, and shuns paintwork and special coatings, reducing environmental impact when the time comes for it to be retired. Those are genuine reasons to choose the Fairphone 2 over any other smartphone. But due to the sheer amount of time we use our phone, it cannot be the only one. To use a phone every day for several years, it needs to function properly, handle everyday tasks with ease, play awesome games, take good pictures, and realistically continue doing the same right up to the year 2019. If it's going to meet its promise, Fairphone wants you to keep using it, and not discard it in 12 months' time. Remember, that's a tall order for even the absolute best phones ever put on sale, made by manufacturers with years of experience. Is it impossible, or has Fairphone defied the odds? The Fairphone 2 isn't an iPhone clone, or really a clone of any other smartphone that may catch your eye in a store. It's an innocuous, mostly featureless slab that looks more like one of the first cheap smartphones we may have purchased back in 2011. It's not ugly, but is bland and quite thick. Still, it has some appeal, and we love the opaque body shell that reveals the inner workings of the phone. It's made of a thick plastic that has plenty of grip, helped by the rubber side panels that extend over the sides of the display. Buttons are covered in chunky plastic, and aren't very pleasant to feel. There's a micro USB charging port on the bottom and a headphone jack up